Hello everyone, here is your daily stock market update for 27th March 2026. The Indian stock markets ended the day on a weak note. The Nifty 50 index down by 486.85 points to close at 22,819.60. The BSE Sensex down by 1,690.23 points to close at 73,583.22. And the Nifty Bank down by 1,433.50 points to close at 52,274.60. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, all sectors closed in the red, with PSU Bank emerging as the biggest loser. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: ONGC, Wipro, Bharti Airtel, TCS and Coal India. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Shriram Finance, Tata Motor Passenger Vehicle, Reliance, Indigo and Bajaj Finance. On the NSE, 3,390 stocks were active during the day. Out of these, 505 advanced while 2,814 declined. 71 stocks closed unchanged. Let us take a look at market news. HCL Technology ranked number 2 in the Hurun India Impact 50 2026 list for strong sustainability efforts, including top rankings in gender equality and clean energy, and was also featured in the S&P Global Sustainability Yearbook for the 4th year, highlighting its focus on responsible and sustainable business practices. Ultratech Cement has settled an issue with Jaiprakash Associates related to the Dalla Super Cement unit and mines in Uttar Pradesh. After a legal process, the tribunal confirmed that full ownership of these assets now belongs to Ultratech Cement, and all financial claims linked to earlier preference shares have been cleared. L&T has secured a significant order worth 1,000 crore rupees to 2,500 crore rupees to construct a glass manufacturing plant in Gujarat and a two-wheeler manufacturing facility in Andhra Pradesh, along with additional work on existing projects reflecting strong demand for its construction services. Infosys announces two major acquisitions: Optimum Healthcare IT for up to $465 million and Status for up to $95 million to boost AI-led digital transformation. These deals strengthen Infosys' presence in healthcare and insurance sectors, accelerating global growth with cloud, data and AI capabilities. Reliance Industries strongly denies report of buying Iranian crude oil, calling the claims completely false and misleading. The company urges media to verify facts, as this clarification reassures investors and protects its global reputation. Coal India Limited to invest 3,300 crore rupees in 8 new coking coal washers with 21.5 metric ton per year capacity, plus 300 crore rupees for modernization of existing units. This expansion aims to improve coal quality, reduce import dependence and strengthen supply to India's steel sector. This concludes today's market update. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.